colors in the mountains and lakes. This is Krista. She is learning her colors. She sees lots of colors every day. Krista has on a yellow shirt. Her mom says she has pretty black hair. Today, Krista is going on a hike with her mom. They will look for colors as they walk. Let's see what colors they find in the mountains and lakes. The first thing they see is a pretty lake. Mom asks, "Krista, what color is that lake?" "Blue," Krista says, "just like the sky." "Yes," says Mom, "the lake and the sky are both blue." Then they see something else nearby that is blue. It is a bird called a blue jay, and it is looking right at Krista. Mom says, "Let's go up the mountain trail." But before they do, they see something green. There are green lily pads floating near the lakeshore. Mom says, "In the mountains and lakes, sometimes you have to look really closely. If you don't, you might miss seeing something special, like this big, fat, green frog sitting on a lily pad." They begin to walk up the mountain trail. The first things they see are purple flowers. Purple is Krista's favorite color. Krista also sees purple berries. She wants to eat them, but Mom says no. "Even though they are pretty, we don't know if they are safe to eat," Mom explains. Krista and her mom keep walking on the trail and see a sign. It is brown and it reads Nature Trail. They wonder if there are other brown things to see. Looking up, they see two brown squirrels sitting on the branch of a tree. Then they see a bright red bird. "Look, Mom," Krista says. "That bird is called a cardinal," says Mom. They look for more of the color red on the mountain trail. Would there be another red animal or plant to see? On they walk. Then, Mom points to the branch of a nearby tree. There are 3 red ladybugs with black spots crawling across the branch. "Oh, look!" Krista shouts. "I see something very pretty. It is a butterfly with yellow and black wings. And I see beautiful yellow flowers with green leaves by the stream," Krista tells her mom. As Mom and Krista continue their hike, it gets colder. Krista is very glad she brought along her thick black coat. "It will be getting dark soon," Mom says. "It's time to start hiking back." They hike back down the mountain trail as it gets darker and darker. By the time they reach the car, the sky has turned bright orange, yellow, and red. The sun is setting, and it is time to go home. There were so many colors in the mountains and lakes today. Krista and her mom will go back in the fall when the leaves on the trees turn different colors, like orange, yellow, red, and brown. Krista can hardly wait. The end. Beige, brown, black and white, brown, blue, done. Red, pencil, brown, yellow, orange, Purple. Done. Frog. Green. Alligator. Grasshopper. Leaf. Peas. Green all around. Cutout puzzle. Black and white. Beige. Black and white. Blue. Red. Done. Purple. Blue. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. All colors. Done.